Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we need to verify if the following chemical, which is C4H4O4, can represent different compounds. In this case, the ones that are given to us are A, a cis-dibasic acid, B, a cyclic ester of fatty basic acid, C, an alpha beta unsaturated dibasic acid, and D, an ester with a keto group. So let's go through all of the possibilities that we have. First of all, let's go ahead with, for example, fumaric acid. Fumaric acid has the formula C4 COOH, hydrogen. So this one would be malic acid. Which accounts for A, a cis-dibasic acid. Next up, we are going to have a cyclic ester of fatty basic acid, which in this case it can be, which would be the following. You can get double bond oxygen here, and our double bond here. Counting the number of carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, we're going to have 4 oxygens, and the number of hydrogens is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this accounts for B. For C, we're going to have an alpha beta unsaturated acid, which can correspond to, for example, double bond. This is a CH2. The carbon over here goes to COOH. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens, 4 carbons, and 4 oxygens. So that accounts for C. And finally for D, an ester with a keto group, we would need to have, first of all, the ester. The ester is going to be COO. Let's take the smallest ester possible. But in this case, since we need to account for the rest of the oxygens, going through this route is not feasible. So we can go ahead and generate a different compound. So in this case, I think that the closest thing would be to generate an anhydride, which contains, by definition, a keto group. It is associated to an ester, as you can see here. Double bond oxygen, and a CH3 on this position. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens, the one that would be on this position, and 4 oxygen atoms. So this would be the closest compound as for D. If you want to identify them, for example, over here, this is the ester, and right here we have the keto group. So that would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.